I just got my DJI Mini Mic and I got this for like 400 MOP. So let's do an unboxing. You might be wondering why I have glasses. I actually cannot see pretty well. So for the meantime, while I unbox this one, I'm gonna be wearing my glasses. And here's my little cutter. It's so cute. It's a carrot. I'm so excited. Actually, I was telling my friend earlier na I don't know whether I'm going to be speaking Tagalog or English for my video, but let's see how it feels like. Took out the sealed, and this is it. Let's try. There's nothing much, so let's see. This here, I have a lot that comes with it, and I only got one, so that's okay. With a little pouch as well. Let's see. I'm gonna be trying this video without the mic and with the mic just to see how it goes. So this is what the pouch looks like. It's very small. Ang cute niya actually. Ito na yung mga accessories that comes with it. The charger, I think, and the receiver. Uy! The magnet. Yes, and of course the mic itself. Oh my god, ang liit pala. I never knew it's this small. So now I'm opening it. Wow, it's really small. I think it's only 10 grams. Yes, 10 grams lang siya. Ganito kaliit. So this is me without the DJI Mini Mic. Tell me how it sounds like. I'm not sure if it's already on, but I'm going to Google how to connect this with my DJI Osmo Pocket 3. So wait lang. So I think I connected the DJI Mini Mic already because I see the little thing that tells me the audio is on. So tell me how it looks like. Try putting this one on just to see if there's any difference. So tell me if there is. So I'm gonna edit and see how it feels like.
How it sounds like.
So yeah, this is it. Kabayo buntis. Now I have a Christmas music on, and can you hear my voice? Can you still hear the background? I wonder.
That's it. See you on the next one.
Yes. See you on the next video. Bye. Jingle bells ring, jingle bells ring. I wonder if you can hear this. Let me try the noise cancellation. Wait lang. This is really cute. See why people like to clip on it now? And like with just like random objects. This is very cute. Oh my god! Malakas ba boses ko?